How should you invest $50,000? One investor viewpoint. This is a complicated question for a lot of people with many approaches. Here are 11 investment ideas that could turn $50,000 into even more money. 1. Buy a turnkey rental property. Some of the most frequently occurring issues that new real estate investors face are not knowing where to find good deals and low returns on rental properties in their hometowns. There is a straightforward solution to complaints about time and money. Buy a turnkey rental property. 2. Buy, renovate, rent, refinance, repeat, BRRRR. The reason this strategy is powerful is because you can get your down payment back from the property when you refinance it. 3. Buy a short-term, vacation rental. When you find a property that produces a positive cash flow from rent regardless of whether it is leased long-term, as a vacation rental, or as a corporate rental, then you know that you can generate profits even if market conditions or local regulations change. 4. Take advantage of the stock market. You no longer need a stockbroker to trade stocks. Instead of using a regular brokerage account, you can use an online brokerage account, such as E-Trade. Look for a company that offers a straightforward interface and resources for new investors. 5. Invest in mutual funds or ETFs. Funds that spread their investments among many different stocks, bonds, and other short-term investments are less likely to lose money than those that invest in just a few holdings. 6. Invest in bonds. Essentially, when you purchase a bond, you are lending money to the issuer and receiving periodic interest payments in return, as well as the return of your principal upon the bond's maturity. 7. Invest in CDs. If you want to invest your $50,000 without much risk involved and still make a good return, considering investing in CDs. The higher the account minimum required, the higher the APY. 8. Fill a savings account. When discussing savings accounts, we are not referring to an account at your local bank where you have a checking account. We are talking about online savings accounts that offer rates that are up to 10 times higher than your local bank. This is one of our least recommended options, particularly in a high inflation environment. One famous quote to think about is from Robert Kiyosaki, who says, "Savers are losers." 9. Try peer-to-peer lending. A P2P platform is a great way to connect with borrowers from all over the world. Although P2P lending has the potential to provide a higher rate of return than other investment options, it is important to remember that there is always the risk that the borrower will default on their loan. 10. Start your own business. If you want to break free from the 9-to-5 grind, investing $50,000 in your own business could be your chance. Just be sure you have a solid business plan. 11. Try fulfillment by Amazon. You send the items you want to sell to Amazon and they take care of any orders and shipping. You'll be able to sell on Amazon to a large number of buyers with less work than selling on other platforms. What to do with $50,000 beyond real estate? Some people simply feel more comfortable investing money in things like Roth IRAs and 401ks, which allow you to defer taxes, instead of investing in real estate. 3 investments to avoid. Stocks that you can buy for less than $5 of may seem like a great investment. However, you should be aware of the risks before investing. You may have heard of businesses promising to make you rich if you can recruit others to join them. Gambling is not a good investment because the odds are not in your favor. In the end though, investments are a personal decision and the risk is in the investor, not the investment. Visit 40plusfinance.com to learn more now.